beaders, it's Jerry. Welcome back to Beachside Bead Boutique. And if you are new here, welcome and thank you so much for joining me. Please like this video, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell and you will be notified of all my uploads. And on my channel, I do jewelry DIYs, bead unboxing videos, and bead hauls. And today, I just wanted to hop on here really quick and do a quick, fun, easy pair of boho earrings. And I actually already did one. So this is what we're going to be doing. Isn't that really cute though? I really like it. I think it is just really cute. So I just wanted to get on here and do this with you guys. And it is storming pretty bad out again. So that's what we have going on today. All right, but these are the things, the items that you're going to need. You will need some jump rings. I'm going to use gold. I have my air wire. I'm going to use the gold hook. You will need some gold head pins. You will need a gold 16 gauge wire. So that's what this is. And I just cut it to the size that I needed, this middle piece here. And the other two on this side are head pins. And then I have this pack of beads that I'm going to use. And this is what it is. So this came from Hobby Lobby. Pastel Jewel. Okay. I think these are really cute. And then also you will need this Czech glass bead mix that also came from Hobby Lobby. And then also you will need some gold eye pins. You will need flush cutters, bent nose pliers, and round nose pliers, or whichever kind of tools you choose to open and close jump rings, but you will need to make some loops. Okay, so I think that is about it. So let's go ahead and get started and make the other earring. So first we're going to go ahead and take this 16 gauge wire piece. Let me see how big this is. Okay, this is about 2 3/4 of an inch. Okay. So you can cut yours that long or shorter, or however you want. And first I'm going to go ahead and make a loop at the bottom. Okay, and that's what we're going to hang our little charm from here. So you're going to bend that and just make a simple loop like that. Okay, all you need to do. And then we're going to go ahead and put on some of our beads. Now, I'm not going to do this pattern exactly like this, I don't think. So I'm just going to take some of my Czech bead mix. Put it on this wire. Okay, and you see it's not exactly the same. I think we'll just do it like this. I think that's okay. There we go. Okay, and then for our little charm, we're going to take a head pin, and because this won't fit on the head pin, it's going to go through. I'm just going to take a little seed bead and put it first, and then put my charm like that. And I've shown you guys several times how I make my charms, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and you just follow along, please. Going to take a jump ring. Let's see. I use this one. So use the one next to the largest. Okay, I'm using gold. Open this up. I'm just going to take one of the blue Czech glass beads, put it on my jump ring first, and then I'm going to take, oops, and then I'm going to take this charm and put it on my large jump ring, and then I'm going to take this one, the long one, put it next, and then this one. And then we are going to put another blue Czech glass seed bead. And go ahead and close that up. And then we are going to take one of our gold ear hooks. And just open that and put your, hold on, make sure this is the right way. Okay, now go ahead and put on your ear hook and close it up. And that's it. That is so cute. I really like it. Really cute. There we go. So cute. Really pretty. Well, let me know what you guys think. And please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.